Now that we've talked about how to use the two types of bows, let's talk about incorporating the left hand. To start, hold your left hand out and turn your palm towards you. The thumb should be behind the neck of the instrument, and the fingers should be lightly hovering on or above the strings. Try pressing with your first finger. You should be pressing with the fleshy part of the pad of your finger, and the finger should point slightly backwards towards the scroll of the instrument. It should be a couple of inches from the nut. Try plucking that note. Now, if you stretch your hand out, the fourth finger should also press in a similar place, on the fat part of the finger underneath the nail. Try pressing that finger and plucking. While you're pressing fingers down, the thumb of your left hand should be behind the second finger. We're only going to use the first and fourth fingers right now, but it's important to note that to have the half steps be in tune on the left hand, the distance from the first finger to the second finger should be the same as the distance from the second finger to the fourth finger. The natural position of the hand would be like this, but the distance between 1 and 2 isn't wide enough for a full half step, so try and keep that hand shape while we're playing. If you play the open D string, the first finger, and the fourth finger, it should sound like the first 3 notes of a D major scale, like this. Try that. Good. Now, let's play some tunes together, pizzicato. Let's play Clair de la Lune. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's try that same tune, but this time, grab your bow, make sure that you have a good bow grip, and also double check to make sure that you have even weight on both of your legs and your standing posture is correct. And let's play it with the bow. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do one more song together. How about Hot Cross Buns? First, let's play it pizzicato. I'll count you in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now, finally, let's try that same tune together, but let's play with the bow. I'll count you in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. That's a great start to using our left hand on the double bass.